This is EFT tapping for anxiety, how to calm your body and mind fast. In this video, I'm going to bring you through an experience called EFT tapping, a simple science-backed tool to help calm your nervous system, release your anxiety, and bring you back to calm quickly and effectively. Welcome to my channel, where I'm teaching you how to build your confidence from the inside out through the art and science of emotional mastery. I'm 𝗪𝗪𝗂𝗵, a transformative life coach, a registered nurse, and a single mother to 3 boys. And EFT tapping is one of my favorite tools in this toolbox for creating confidence. And today we're going to release anxiety and bring in calm. So what is anxiety? Anxiety is the feeling of wanting to run away from your feelings. It's a superficial layer to the onion. It is protecting or covering unexpressed emotions underneath. Anxiety can manifest in your mind as the overthinking, spinning, or ruminating brain. It may show up in the morning like it does for me with a massive to-do list or feeling like you're behind before you even get started. It also expresses itself in the body. You might feel your heart flutter or beat fast, your stomach in knots, your lump in that throat. Some of my clients get tingling sensations in their fingertips. Anxiety is in both the body and mind, and what it needs is some care and attention in order to release. I invite you to tap on the side of the hand with me right now as I bring you through this tapping sequence. And just place your feet on the floor, feel a light tapping on the side of the hands, and close your eyes and tune into this anxiety. Where is it in your body? Is it in your stomach, your heart, your throat? Is it spinning in your mind? Wherever it is, locate it and give it a number from 0 to 10. 0 being none at all, 10 being the worst anxiety you've ever felt. And just take a deep breath in right now and let your whole body and mind know that help is on the way. This is what tapping is. It's empowerment. It's you taking full responsibility for your emotional release and well-being. So just tap along and repeat after me as I call out the points. Even though I have all this anxiety in my body and mind, I choose to have compassion for myself right here and right now. And even though I can't stop spinning in my mind over and over this massive to-do list, all the things that were done, that weren't done, said, not said, I choose to acknowledge what's here and to be open to releasing it. And even though I have all this anxiety in my body and mind, I'm filled with it. It's every day, it's all day long. I just want it to go away. I choose right here and right now to give my body permission to relax. And now follow my guidance as I tap you through the points. Inner eyebrows, all this anxiety. Side of the eye, I can feel it in my body. Under the eye, the stories in my mind. Under the nose, this is so hard to get on with my day. Under the chin, if it would just go away, everything would work. Collarbone, this anxiety makes life so much harder. Side of the body, all this anxiety in my body. Top of the head, I can feel it in my stomach, heart, chest, wherever you feel it, just name where you feel it. Now go to the inner eyebrows You don't have to repeat after me. Just listen to the sound of my voice. Right here and right now, give yourself permission to go to the anxiety in your body, in your mind. Go there now. Do not be afraid to feel it fully. Side of the eye. Notice what the anxiety is doing in your body. How is it moving? How is it shifting? Under the eye. Take a deep breath in now and just ask your anxiety, why are you here? What is it you want me to know? Under the nose, breathing, feeling those feet on the floor as you're tapping. Listen without judgment. Under the chin, and just hear what this anxiety is telling you. Like an observer, without judging. Notice whatever comes up and trust it. Don't try to change it in any way. Moving to the collarbone, breathing and tapping. Being present now, and just notice the story that the anxiety is telling you. Notice the meaning that you're giving to the situation at hand, to the encounter with the person, to the situation, the conflict, the conversation, the to-do list. Just notice the meaning and the story that you're attaching to it. And ask yourself gently, is this really true? Or could something else be true here as well? Now moving to the side, tapping. Now gently explore what it would be like to release this anxiety without any pressure to actually release it. Just try it on for size, like you're trying on a piece of clothing. What would it feel like to fully release this anxiety that you're carrying in your body and in this story that you're attaching to whatever is happening? Just notice now. Feel that in your body now. And moving to the top of the head, without any pressure, without any judgment, just observing what's happening in your body as you're tapping through the points and focusing on the anxiety and giving it permission to exist and release. They're one and the same. Notice any shifts and notice if any judgment or resistance comes up with that, and just gently observe that and ask it to step aside. Ask it to calm down. Let it know that it's safe to be with this anxiety. And back to the inner eyebrow, tapping, and now repeat after me again. I feel a little lighter in my body. Side of the eye. I'm safe right here and right now. Under the eye. Even with this anxiety. Under the nose. I can't stress myself to a solution. Under the chin. Having this massive to-do list in my head is not fixing the problem. Collarbone. I can take my time and be gentle with myself. Side of the body. I'm actually okay. Maybe even more okay than I thought I was. Top of the head. It is safe for me to relax right here and right now. And one last round, inner eyebrows. I can relax. Side of the eye. I feel lighter in my body. Under the eyes, which makes my day. Under the nose, and these tasks ahead under the chin, a little more doable. Collarbone. I can move forward, side of the body, with more presence and ease. Top of the head, choosing to move forward, more relaxed and calm in body, mind, and spirit. And stop tapping, put your hand on your heart, check in, notice how you're feeling in your body right now. Remember where your anxiety was in the beginning and what the number was. What is it right now? Did it go up? Did it go down? Either way, it's a shift, and a shift is always good. It means that you're giving what you haven't given attention to before attention, which means sometimes it can make it go up because when we focus on something, it can get a little bit more intense before it releases. But did it go down? Even 1 point is a shift. Sometimes it can go all the way to 0. Whatever happens is perfect and was meant for you. And if anything else came up in that round, you can continue to tap on your own. Your own words are very powerful when it comes to tapping because your language holds emotional charge, and tapping on it can release it in your body. Thanks for watching this video and tapping along with me. Creating peace, calm, and confidence is a journey, and you don't have to do it alone. I'll be right there beside you. I've taken the liberty of recommending another video for you to watch. It's right here on the screen. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button or share with someone who needs this. Bye.